Good afternoon, Marife.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Maricel Matos, ma'am. I am 34 years old. I came from Prospero, Negocian del Sur. I am a happy mother of 3, and I am Christian.
Okay, I have few questions for you to answer, so let's start. Why do you want to
Yes,
work
ma'am.
as a maid?
Because, ma'am, I want to give them a bright future someday in my children, ma'am. I want to finish their studies.
Okay. Why you choose Malaysia when there's a lot of other country?
Malaysia, ma'am, and the Philippines is not too far, and it is easy to adapt the culture and the climate.
Okay. How are you qualified for this job?
I am a medical fit, ma'am, and I am a hardworking, honest, ma'am, and responsible.
Okay. May I know what is your educational level?
I am a third year high school only, ma'am.
Okay. What is your recent experience?
Cooking, ma'am, and washing and ironing clothes.
Okay. Have you worked abroad before?
No, ma'am.
Do you have experience of taking care of baby?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Whose baby you taking care of?
The daughter of my employer before, ma'am, and also my children, ma'am.
Okay. And how about elderly people?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Okay. Whose elderly people you taking care of?
Uncle of my husband, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have any other special skills?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please tell me what is your special skills?
Cooking, ma'am, is my special skills, ma'am.
Okay. Are you willing to learn new skills?
Yes, ma'am, I am willing, ma'am.
Are you willing to work with a family where the mother-in-law or any relatives stay together?
Yes, ma'am, I am willing, ma'am.
Currently, are you still working now?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What sort of food can you cook?
My specialty, ma'am, is chicken curry and kari-kari, adobo, and pinakbit, and then menudo mechado apretada, ma'am.
Okay, so all this is a Filipino dishes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you aware that you will have to do washing, cleaning, ironing, and cooking?
Yes, ma'am.
From all the house chores, which do you like most?
Cooking and cleaning the house, ma'am.
Okay. If ever you were selected to work in Malaysia, who will take care of your kids?
My husband, ma'am, the father of my children.
Okay. You are not allowed to use handphone during working hours.
Yes, ma'am.
You are only allowed to use handphone after you finish all the works and when going to bed.
Yes, ma'am.
You are strictly needed to surrender the handphone to your employer in the morning, and your
Yes,
employer will return back to you once you're going to bed.
yes, ma'am.
If ever your employer finds out that you're abusing of using your handphone and it's affected your work performance, your employer will confiscate your handphone and you are not allowed to hold it anymore. Instead, your employer will allow you to call your family 3 times in a month. You're only allowed to bring normal phone and you are not allowed to bring smartphone. Are you agreed for the terms and conditions?
Yes, ma'am. I agree with that. No problem, ma'am.
Okay. Are you agree to the rules and regulations for the handphone?
Yes, ma'am.
How many years is the contract as you agreed and understand?
2 years, ma'am.
Okay. Can you describe for me your ethics?
Hardworking, ma'am. Dependable, responsible, ma'am, and honest, ma'am, and God-fearing, ma'am.
Okay. How can you assure to us that you will work hard in Malaysia?
Uh, I am uh, I am a hardworking ma'am, and also I am honest, ma'am, and then responsible in my job.
Okay. Can you promise not to use the telephone without the permission of your employer?
Yes, ma'am. I promise that, ma'am.
Okay. Can you promise not to put on makeup but to dress properly while work?
I promise that, ma'am.
Okay. Can you promise not to invite friends and relatives without the consent of your employer?
Yes, ma'am. I promise, ma'am.
Can you promise not to ask for advance salary from your employer under any circumstances?
Yes, ma'am. I promise.
Do you really understand of the rules and regulation of the agency?
Yes, ma'am. I understand that, ma'am.
Do you pay any placement fee for you to come to Malaysia to work as a maid?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any history of sickness, example breast cancer or any other illness?
Yes. Nothing, ma'am.
Do you suffer from any skin diseases, allergy or physical defect?
Nothing, ma'am.
Have you suffered from any serious illness?
Nothing, ma'am.
Have you undergone any operation?
Nothing, ma'am.
Are you medically fit?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you on any medication?
No, ma'am.
Are you allergic with any food?
No, ma'am.
Are you prepared to work for the employer of any race?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you prepared to eat the type of food taken by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you afraid of being left alone in the house?
No, ma'am.
Are you afraid of dogs or other pets?
No, ma'am.
Can you promise to work according to instruction from your employer?
Yes, ma'am. I promise that, ma'am.
Do you have any immediate family working in Malaysia?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Marife, we have finished
Yes.
our question section. Let's go to case study. I have a case study for you and I want you to answer me truthfully. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, number 1. Upon arrival in Malaysia within 6 months, if ever any of your family members passed away, what will you do? Will you continue to work till finish your contract or you will go back?
I tell the truth in my employer, ma'am. Ma'am, I asked them to what happened in my family there here in Philippines, ma'am. And if ever, ma'am, that he can't go back here in the Philippines, ma'am. So I cannot choice, ma'am. I finished the 2 years contract.
Okay, number 2, tell us about yourself and why do you want to work in Malaysia as domestic helper?
My name is Marife Matos. I am 34 years old. I am a happy mother of 3, and I am a Christian. I am trustworthy, honest, and hardworking and dependable ma'am.
Okay, why do you want to work in Malaysia as domestic helper?
Because, ma'am, I want to give them a bright future someday in my children, ma'am, and I want to finish their studies.
Okay, Marife, what do you want to tell the employer who watching your video right now?
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Marife Matos, ma'am. I am 34 years old. I am a mother of 3. I am a Christian, ma'am. Please, ma'am, I am knocking your heart, and I am hoping that you choosing me as a household. And I promise you, ma'am, that I obey and follow the rules and regulation, ma'am. I am the honest, dependable, hardworking, and also, ma'am, God-fearing, ma'am.
Okay, thank you very much, Marife. We will update your agency if there's any selection made by the employer.
Thank you so much, ma'am. God bless.